And sentence on count 1 are set aside and replaced with the following: guilty of murder, with the accused having had criminal intent in the form of dolus eventualis.
A ruling that sealed Oscar Pistorius' fate. But it was not to end there for the disgraced athlete. The Paralympian sought to overturn that decision at the highest court in the land, but he has hit a brick wall. The Constitutional Court believes he would have no prospects of success in appealing the Supreme Court of Appeal decision. With Pistorius' last hope out the window, he will now be sentenced for murder.
Murder carries a minimum sentence of 15 years. And as a state, we've got a responsibility in terms of the legislation and our policy guidelines to ensure that justice is served by calling for the prescribed minimum sentence to be imposed.
And this means a longer jail time for the embattled athlete.
Obviously, the time already spent in jail must be deducted from that. That's more or less a year from whatever the judge imposes. And then the judge has, in her discretion, the prerogative to deviate if there are compelling and substantial evidence to do so. I suppose a sentence to be handed down in between 11 and 12 years.
Pistorius is currently out on bail, serving his sentence under house arrest. After a protracted legal battle, it's now the end of the road for Oscar Pistorius, but his family is refusing to be drawn into commenting on this latest blow. But Reeva Steenkamp's family now believes that justice will finally be served. Criselda Lewis, SABC News in Johannesburg.